Okay guys, hope you're doing well, and today I received a package which I ordered, so that's the package. And this package is basically, I just slid it open and it's an SD card, as you can see over here. So I ordered this SD card in relation to my normal camera, my DSLR, which I'm filming from right now. The problem was that I was trying to find something which is obviously of the the latest. So I was looking for something more high speed, and I did my research and I found out that there are a couple of SanDisk cards at the moment in the market. So one is the Extreme, and then there is the Extreme Pro. So this is the Extreme Pro card, and it's recommended for 4K shooting. Now my DSLR, the 77D, which I'm shooting from, is not a 4K DSLR. So but still, even if it's not 4K, it makes it a bit future-proof. I ordered this from Taiwan and I recently got it, so just thought of making this unboxing, and then we'll do some speed tests on this SD card and see how it goes. So a little bit about this card. So this is a 3V30 4K UHD card, and it's a 64 GB card because it comes in, say, 128, it comes in 32 gigabits. And I ordered the 64 GB because you can't really film that long because your battery dies down. I mean, you can if you have extra batteries. And the biggest thing is, in this SanDisk Extreme Pro, the speeds are up to 170 megabits. But that's what they say, but usually it's not really 170 megabits. But yes, that's just theoretical. So on the back, it shows you a read speed of 170 and a write speed of 190. That is a lot of speed, right? And on the front, it obviously gives you a picture of the SD card. So guys, without any delay, let's open it up and let's see how the packaging is inside. So normally what happens is the SD card from SanDisk used to come in a very different sort of packaging they have changed it into. So previously it was a separate like a package in the paper box, but now it comes in this plastic shell. So I'm just going to keep that on the side, and so here we have it, the SD card, and it says on the top you can free download for 2-year subscription of Rescue Pro, and it gives you a serial number over here if you want to use Rescue Pro. Rescue Pro is a piece of software which is SanDisk proprietary to actually to save your data and just to basically save your data. So let's go ahead and open this up. So guys, yes, so it does give you a sticker over there on the top, and this is the SD card little tiny shell or box, and nothing really much in it because it's not a micro SD card, it's just the SD card. So in this SD card, if we just take a closer look at it, so let's go ahead and open it up. So it's like a storage shell which they've made just to protect your SD card. This is 100% original SD card because obviously it comes with the Secure Pro serial number as well. So the Extreme Pro on the top is shiny. You can just see that, yeah, so it's shining. So that is the mark of the latest Extreme Pro SD card. So if you're getting your Extreme Pro SD card, it should shine like that. And then it says 170 megabits. If I just zoom it a little bit more for you guys so you can have a look. See? And then 64 GB, and it's giving you that 3 in the bucket and 10 in a circle. So those are the speeds. And on the back, it gives you a serial number, and it's got these gold-plated lines. So that is the SD card, and it is a really really high-speed SD card. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it to our computer and we're going to run some tests and see the performance of this SD card. But in terms of the SD card, yes, this is a very good piece of device. And if you're looking for a high-speed SD card, I would highly recommend you to get the Extreme Pro. So this is it, guys. I have now connected the SD card to my MacBook, and I'm doing the disk speed test from Blackmagic Design. So it's given us 82.9 Mbps write speed and a read speed of roughly 91.5 Mbps. So this is the thing which I was trying to tell you previously, that it shows on the packaging that it's got a very high write and a read speed, but theoretically when you connect it to your computer there are other factors which slows it down, but in terms of the SD card, it doesn't mean that, you know, the SD card maker is falsifying any sort of information, but it just means that because of other variable and other factors, it just slows down the speed. It could be because I am using an SD card connector, that might be the reason. So there are many other factors to it, but the test in terms of it being connected to the MacBook, yes, the write speed, as you can see over here, it's roughly now 82.4, 82.8, 82.9, and the read speed is roughly 91 as we did it before. So guys, this concludes my test and my review for the SanDisk Extreme Pro SD card. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you're buying an SD card, and if you've got questions, just let me know in the comments section and I'll reply back to you. Alright guys, catch you in my next video. Bye for now.